to you.
You don't feel good too? No? Honey?
This is a joke. Stop. Okay?
Mercy! You treated me horribly, knowing that your lives and that of your children are in my hands. You enslaved me, maltreated me, and abused me. You accused me of stealing your jewelries and your clothes. And then you blame me for the death of your son. You still owe me 6 months' salary. And I have endured all the nonsense from you too. Whilst hoping that you will pay me my money so that I can leave to my village and stay with my mother. Now, I am going to watch all of you die. Erica, you're a witch.
I'll kill you.
So you're trying to kill us the same way you killed our son? I didn't kill your son. Your son ran into an oncoming car and died. It was an accident.
He was locked down by Eka and Auntie Grace took him to the hospital.
Steve, what? Erica, what happened to my son?
Eka. Good job. Him.
Hey!
Auntie Grace, don't carry him to hospital.
My son. My only son. Hey! Which hospital? Which hospital? No, wait! Wait! Hey! No.
What? When? How did it happen? Where are you? Dr. Sam's hospital? Okay, I am coming right away. Right away, I'm coming.
How did I get here? Why was I even there? What was I doing there? And it was the time I came to greet me. See where I ended? I'm not going anywhere! Where's my son?
office. I will explain to you. Just don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, please. I promise I will explain to you. Take care of it.
You killed my son!
Erica, do you know it's your fault Steve is dead?
Auntie Grace, I was holding Mercy and Gift. Then I heard when he called out your name. I didn't know he would run across to greet you.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'll go in there and talk to him.
Please, my head is broken. I need to go to the hospital. My head, please.
Steve. Hold on, I'm coming.
Please.
It feels so hard to believe that a little boy that was running to come and greet me is dead. It's so bad. Just have to be strong, okay? Just be fine. Try and put it behind you. Sam, please, you just have to be strong for your life. Please. It's all my fault. I wish I wasn't there. I wish I never came anywhere there for him to come and greet me. Grace, it's not Erica's fault. Yes, it's my fault. Just put the whole blame on me.
Please.
Just shut it up. That girl killed my son. She killed my son, and there's nothing you can say to make me think otherwise.
Grace, it's all my fault. He was coming to greet me. I take all the blame. Please, let it just be on me.
Grace, if you take the blame, I swear I will never forgive you in my life. It's all Erica's fault. My kids are in her care. That is what I think I have to do to look after my children. Look, I'm tired. Oh, God.
Sam, please, we need to take Erica to the hospital. She's bleeding. She was badly injured. Something needs to be done. Please.
Huh? As you're looking at me now, do I look like I care? If she dies, I don't give a damn. Do you hear me?
No, she doesn't need to die. Let's take her to the hospital, please.
Don't piss me off.
It's okay. It's okay.
My head.
No, the chemist boy said the outcome of the loss of blood. You'll be fine.
My head.
It's okay. So, okay?
Auntie, my head is spinning.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Once you go in there, you freshen up and sleep. You'll be fine. Yeah? Okay.
I want to go inside.
Why?
They will kill me.
No, not when I'm here. No, they will not do anything. I'm here. I'm assuring you, I'm here. I'm here, let's go. Yeah? It's okay.
Oh. Steve, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Mommy's sorry. If I was there, nothing bad would have happened to you. I'm sorry, my son. I'm sorry. But I promise you, son. I promise you that Erica is going to pay. She's going to pay for her carelessness. She's going to pay for every pain that she's made you pass through.
It's okay. Please, stop crying. Okay? We have to be strong. We need each other right now. Can you stop crying? Please.
Tell me, honey. How do I live without my son?
I am sad too, but I need you to be strong. Okay? We have to be strong for Steve.
Tell me, honey. How do I live without my son? How? I can't.
I know, I'm sorry.
I'm so weak. I can't live without my son. God. How do I live without my son? No. Hi.
Nollywood Action.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to call my mother.
You're calling your mother? For what? Huh?
Oh.
So, you want to report us to your mother? Huh? Give me that phone. Give me that phone! This will be the last time you use a phone in this house. You know, it's very surprising how you don't feel remorseful for what you did. You killed our son, remember? I don't know what your plan in this house is. Whoever sent you, tell that person we are going to triple that pay for you. Now get up and wear iron my clothes.
So I already ironed the clothes again.
Get up and go and iron it again. Get up! Eh? Go and iron them again! Hurry up and stop this. What's wrong with you? Shut up. I'm the only person, the first person to get a headache. Are you the first person to get a headache?
So many things are happening to me right now. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening to me inside there. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening, yeah. I've lost a lot, am I going to still lose more? So many things are happening inside my head, inside my head. I have no one to run to. I have no one to tell my problem. Where is my mother? They don't allow me to go close to her or tell her my problem. I wish I had a father.
No, good night. Why are you still sleeping by this time?
Good morning, ma.
I said, okay, madam, talk!
My head injury is really disturbing me.
Uh-huh.
I didn't sleep well last night.
And so?
I was up till 3 a.m. ironing Oga's clothes. That's why I didn't know that morning. I'm sorry.
So what is my business if you ironed my husband's clothes till 7 a.m.? Is that your duties to do your chores very well in this house? Do your chores and take my kids to school. Oh no. You can't touch my children. Because you killed my only son. So you cannot touch my daughters. Now, stand up and go do your chores.
I did not kill Steve. He was hit by a car.
Were you not there? Are you not supposed to be his guardian? Were you not there when my son died? Huh?
If I stand up and go to what I have to do before I hit you with these slippers. Move! Go and wash those clothes. Clean the chores. Nonsense. You come to my house to be lazy. You want to be lazy because of an ordinary headache. You want to be lazy. Go and do what you're supposed to do. Let me catch you there.
Where's that useless girl?
Sir?
Come here! So you burnt my shirt. Do you know how much I bought this shirt? You know how much I bought this shirt and you burnt it? Tell me it was a mistake. Just iron a shirt. You burnt it.
Honey?
Can you imagine this girl? Just iron this common shirt. She burnt it. This expensive shirt too, she burnt it. Can you imagine? If you say mistake again, I will slap you again.
Erica, you bought my husband's shirt. Can you afford it? Can your useless mother in the village afford it? Can your entire poverty-stricken generation afford a shirt like this? Why are you so careless, Erica? Why? You're sorry.
Listen to me. You see your mother? This month, your allowance for this month, she's not going to get it. Good. I will use that money to buy another shirt. Useless girl. Come on, take it. Chew it. Rubbish. Another thing, I don't want to see you with my kids again. You hear me? I will take them to school and I'll find a way to bring them back. Rubbish. Are my girls ready, baby?
Get out!
I'm late. I need to get out of this house.
You're standing there to look at us. No. Do you want to beat us? Hey, honey, you ready to go?
I'm supposed to go and eat 2 days. What are you doing there? Come on!
See you! What is these cats? If I touch her now, she'll say she wants to die, she wants to faint. This is a long distance. The almighty Lillian, I stand on the floor.
me up. You two derive joy in seeing me cry. Honey, look at you. Honey, gift. Knowing I was sick and tired, you woke me up to re-iron clothes that I already ironed. After you broke my head, just so you can punish me. You woke me up from sleep in the middle of the night and ordered me to iron clothes that I already ironed. Just because you hate to see me have peace. You are wicked human beings. Now I'm going to stay here and watch you down.
So Steve is really dead. Now wow. This life is not balanced at all. I thank God my work is just to open the gate and close it. What becomes of Erica? Erica is now facing the whole problem as if she was the one driving the car that killed Steve. This peaceful house is now turning into something else. Life is not always favorable for the poor. At all.
A lot of things are happening to me inside there. I don't know why this world is so wicked and envy. I try every best in me just to put a smile. I try your best in me just to see you happy.
What are you doing? Why are you not washing the plates? Why haven't you washed this plate so you go and wash those clothes outside? Mm-hmm.
My head is spinning. My head is spinning. I feel dizzy.
Your head is spinning, you feel dizzy. Your head is spinning, you feel dizzy. My friend, wash this plate!
I need to go to the hospital.
You want to go to the hospital?
I feel like fainting.
Faint? Erica, I want you to die same way you killed my son. Fall down now and die. I'm going to kill you the way you killed my son, Erica. What? Hospital is. I'll show you what hospital is. I'll show you. This is a mission. Hospital. You don't want to die, Abi? Die same way you killed my son. You're trying me. You're trying me. You're trying me. You're trying me. You don't want to die. You're trying me. You're trying me. Stupid. Die. You deserve to die, Erica. Die. When you are done crying, still come outside and wash those clothes. Come outside and wash those clothes. Except you want me to come back here and kill you. Stupid thing. Yeah, I want to faint. Take me to the hospital. Did you take my son to the hospital? I want me to take you to the hospital.
So how are you coping?
Honestly, it's not easy. I still find it so hard to believe that my son is no more. Hi. Erica really dealt with me.
Lillian, are we still dwelling on that? I've told you to let go, that whatever that happened was an accident. Put it behind you.
But it's not easy to let go, Grace. It's not.
So where is your husband?
He went to work. And he took my kids to school.
Good. Kids, I want you to focus. Let whatever that happened be in the past. Where is Erica?
She's at the backyard, washing.
I hope you have treated her injury. I mean, taken her to the hospital. That injury was deep.
Grace, I don't understand you. I should take a lady that killed my son to the hospital because she has a scratch on her body.
That wasn't a scratch. It was a deep cut on her head. And you know it.
Well, I don't care. That is her business. If she likely had died, if the cut is that deep, she should be dead by now. What nonsense. Please don't talk to me about taking any idiot to the hospital. I won't do it. I'm here talking about how to fix my life here. You're here talking about that lady. Please. She's trying to do my
Erica! 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 Don't do this now. Erica! 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 Please wake up now. Erica, please, please. Help! Lillian! Lillian! Erica, please, now wake up. Lillian!
What is it?
Please, please. She's unconscious. Let's revive her and take her to the hospital. Please, please.
Grace. Is that why you were shouting my name? Grace, don't shout my name again because of this thing. Don't shout my name again. I have told you this is her repercussion for killing my son. What nonsense.
Lillian, don't do this now. Please, come, let's help her. Erica. 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 Hey, how do I do this? I can't carry her alone.
Well, she will be okay. She lost a lot of blood.
Okay.
And the injury wasn't taken care of. The wound has been infected. If not well treated, it will affect the neurological system, thereby resulting to a neurological disorder. And for now, she needs rest and proper medical attention.
Thank you very much, doctor. Please, do whatever that it is within your reach to make her better. Please. So, what amount are we looking at?
Keep posted every day. You know, we have to run a CT scan of her to see if there is any evidence of internal bleeding or skull fracture.
Skull fracture?
Yes. Is she your sister? Oh?
She's a friend.
Alright. She have to stay here for at least 2 days for proper medical attention.
Okay, doctor. Please. Do anything within your reach. Thank you.
Go and get the signal monitor.
Welcome, baby. Doing well.
And how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
That's good.
Baby.
Yeah?
Grace came here today. She rushed Erica to the hospital.
Why? What happened to her?
I don't know. Erica was washing at the backyard and suddenly I heard Grace screaming. Grace said she found Erica unconscious and I should help her take Erica to the hospital. But I told her no, that I can't.
Baby, it's very good you did not touch that girl. Okay. If anything happens to her, Grace will explain to the police.
Very good.
Let's go inside.
You both are unbelievable. You want her to die? I've told you that whatever happened was an accident. But you're bent on putting the blames on her. See, let me tell you, if anything should happen to Erica, it will be on the both of you.
No. It is actually going to be on you because you took her to the hospital.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you always bent on defending this girl?
I am not defending her. I am not. I've told you that I was there when the car hit Steve. But no, you people will not take that. Your wife here broke her head. She lost a lot of blood. Because the injury was not well treated. And both of you will not believe me. You're still bent on putting the blames on her. Anyways, I took her to the hospital. The doctor said that he'll be needing ₦1 million to get her treated. To have a head scan to know if there's a skull crack.
Grace, let her die in the hospital.
Yes.
₦1 million. Look, my husband and I, we do not have 1 kobo to spend on that idiot. You hear me? We don't have any money at all.
Lillian, what happened? When did you become this person? This wasn't you.
Grace, my son died. My son died because of Erica's carelessness. I cannot be the same person again. I can't. A lot has changed, yes.
Okay. Well, as it stands now, you are the one that took her to the hospital, right? And my wife here, she's still mourning the death of our son. But I want to ask you this. Can you, by any chance, help with the house chores?
You mean I should help with the house chores?
Yes, because you took Erica to the hospital.
Mm-hmm. You both are unbelievable. Anyways, I'm leaving. If anything should happen to her. If anything should happen to her.
And what's gonna happen, Grace? Are you trying to threaten us or what? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's wrong with this girl, honey? I don't understand.
Is she not your friend?
No, right now we need to question our friendship because is she trying to threaten us or what?
Yeah, she's threatening us. If anything should happen, what's she going to do?
Exactly, what's she gonna do? Hey, good. Grace.
Please tell your friend to stop meddling in our family affairs.
The next time she comes to this house and talks to me like that again, she's not coming here. No, look at it. She has taken Erica to the hospital. Who will do the house chores? My clothes are dirty. Who is going to clean them? Unless you are going to do the laundry yourself.
Me?
Yes.
No. Honey, no, I don't have that energy.
You see why she shouldn't have taken her to the hospital?
She did wrong. But she said that lady was unconscious.
Please. Please and please again. Ask her to bring her tomorrow morning.
I'll do that. She will, I'll do that. Let me go text her now.
Can you imagine?
It's okay, honey. I'll text her now.
This is the price you have to pay for all the bad things you did to me. I fainted. I fainted while washing your clothes due to this head injury. If Grace had not come that day and taken me to the hospital, paid my bills, I wonder what would have become of me.
She will be free to leave better than me.
Okay.
And come back whenever you have the money to pay for the staff. And again, you have to prepare financially in case of any further treatment.
Doctor, please. I can't leave. I'm not fine yet. I'm not fine. Let me stay for a little longer. Maybe a week or two. Please.
But you heard the doctor. He said you are fine. That you're free to go this evening.
I'm fine.
You can stay for a week. Just know that the bill will be compiled. If you have the money to pay, you can have your bed rest.
Doctor, I will pay for the treatment. But if she insists on staying, she will pay the bills. Please.
I'll be in place.
I don't want to go back to that house.
So where do you want to go to?
I could have gone home to my mother and my sister. Instead, I saw it that Odimgbe with me. They had to pay me over 4 weeks. And Million and my husband are owing me 4 months' salary. I need the money. I need it. My family is depending on me to bring home money. And the breadwinner of my family, they are very poor.
I understand. But you will go. I'm assuring you nobody is going to touch you. They will not beat you again. It's a promise.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm very sure.
I have no one to run to. I have no one to tell my problem. Where is my mother? They don't allow me to go close to her or tell her my problem. I wish I had a father. Oh.
Sorry, you got it.
Go to your room. Go to your room.
Which room is she going to? Huh? Which room are you going to?
Please go to your room.
Inside! Did they ask you go to your room, your sister there? Go inside and lock yourself in that room! Stupid thing! And you must really feel like a boss now. Go to your room. You're talking to her now, aspiring. She's your herself. Go to your room. Grace!
Lillian, can you stop being stupid?
Excuse you?
You know I'm doing this for you.
What are you doing for us? Huh? Tell me, what exactly are you doing for us?
Stan, you know if I didn't take her to the hospital, she would have died.
And so what? What is wrong if she dies? Did our son not die?
No, answer him!
Stan,
Did our son not die?
Can you stop? Can you both stop? Enough! Stop this! This very girl is innocent.
No. No way, she is not innocent. And you know what? Honestly, I'm tired. I'm tired of you always acting like the nice person. I'm tired. She is my house girl and not just. And I would advise you to please stay away from anything concerning this girl. Stop it!
I have no one to run to. I have no one to tell my problem. Where is my mother? They don't allow me to go close to her. I'll tell her my problem. I wish I had a father. Oh God, Lord is going through my mind, through my mind. So many things are happening to me.
I have a good news for all of us here. Yes? Mama? What's the news? Do you remember Lillian, the daughter of Uche, my friend? Lillian now? Yes, sir. She said she have gotten a work for Erica in the city. So, either tomorrow or anytime this week, you'll be going to the city. City, baby.
Wow. I'm so happy for you, sis.
I'm happy for you, sister.
Thank you.
Yes. Sister Erica, when you get to the city, you have to work so hard so that you come back and pick us. And before Uncle, I trust Sister Erica. She will not forget us. I think, sister, you people know me. I love to work hard. Yes. And when I get my money, when I get enough money, I will come and take all to the city. I trust you, my daughter. I assure you.
And I will be next in line. Hey!
No, I'll be the next in line because I don't know.
See
You
this
not
rat?
be next in line. You are my handbag.
Ha.
Yes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay too. I'm so happy. I am happy too because you're going to be the breadwinner of this house. Glory be to God Almighty.
Amen. Amen. But Mama, have you asked Auntie Lillian what type of work is Erica going to the city to do?
Lillian said a nice work. And I believe a nice work is always a nice work. Abi?
Mama, nice work should have a name now. Tell us, is it oil company or bank work?
Which one do you want?
Jane, you're so funny. It can never be bank or oil company job. You and I know that Sister Erica here does not have university certificate.
Am I a graduate? Who does not give an By the way, it's no use asking me which work. Because as far as it is a decent paying work, as far as I am not responsible while doing the work, I don't mind. What matters is that I get paid.
So,
yes. That's my daughter.
We were very poor. But we were happy. We were so happy together. Until Lillian came and deceived my mother.
Erica, my daughter, Mama, remember where you're coming from. Just try to be a good girl. Do whatever you are asked to do, please, my daughter. We are looking at you. Mama, I'm not failing you. Take it, that's my daughter.
Sister Erica, we are going to miss you.
Yes, sister, I miss you. I miss you too. I'm already missing you.
Girl should not worry. Sister Erica is only coming to the city to be a better version of herself. When she comes there, hustle, she'll come back and pick the both of you. Okay? Don't you want to come to the city?
Yes. Sister Lilia, if any other work comes out, please come and take me.
Come on, shut up. I will be the next person. Sister Erica will be coming to pick. Don't worry, the both of you will come to the city, but let your Sister Erica come first and hustle. Yeah? You should not fight over this. Thank you. Mama, let's go because of time. And we
I never knew I was coming to do a housemaid work. Still died under my care, and I am being blamed and punished for it. Where will I go from here? How long will this continue? For
So you're just seated in your bed doing nothing. Erica, so you left this house 2 days ago, only for you to come back and lock yourself inside. As what? Who is supposed to do your chores? Who is supposed to do the works you left in this house for the past 2 days? Who? You're looking.
You think I am the bad one here? I am not. I am what you two have turned me into. I returned from the hospital that day with Grace. And as soon as she left, you barged into my room, Lillian, and accused me of beating you and hitting you. As if that was not enough. Your stupid husband here rushed in and pounced on me as if I committed a crime. Lillian, you are a disgrace to womanhood.
How are you doing now?
Fine.
See, Erika, I know that what happened may not be your fault. See, these people are in pains, and they are trying everything human possible to make sure that someone pay for the death of Steve. Please, you just have to avoid doing anything that will make them maltreat you. Please.
Thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you for your advice.
It's alright. Okay, please, just do your work, eh? I'll do it again. Sorry.
I mean, this is shocking. You know, I came in a few hours ago and my sister told me what happened. I mean, I'm surprised. So how are you holding on?
What can I do? I'm holding up just fine.
But how could this girl be so careless?
I don't know. Jacob, if you ask me, I don't know. This is someone I feed and pay. You know, I send monthly allowance to a mother in the village. All she had to do is to keep an eye on her kids. And now my son is dead because of her.
This is pure wickedness. You know, to be honest with you, all this housemaid, house girl thing, I don't subscribe to it at all. Most of them are into witchcraft. Yes, to diabolical things.
You know, I believe what you say. Because I don't know where my wife brought this one from. I believe she's a witch.
You people have to be careful. You just have to be careful. What about your wife? I hope she's okay.
Yeah, she's better. Sorry, what do I offer you?
No, not at all. You know, when I heard about this, I just decided to come and see you.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Why am I having this feeling that Erika is not feeling fine? God Almighty, please protect my daughter. Please.
Mama, what is the problem again?
The recent dream I'm having about Erika is getting me worried. I'm not sure all is well.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Erika, what is it? Talk!
I want my money. My 4 months salary. I have not been paid. My mother has not received any money for a long time now, and she's starving. I got message from the village that my sister is sick. We need money to take her to the hospital. I need money for many things. In fact, my head, this head injury is becoming worse. I need proper medical attention. Please, it's having 4 months. Please, give me my medicine.
Oh my God! Why did you say that?
I saw it.
Did you do that on purpose?
I think so, because...
Oh my God, oh my God. You should have told me this show is really funny.
I didn't know, baby.
Oh my God. Hey, get me a glass of juice, please. I need juice for this show. Hurry up. Get me glass to drink. And don't forget the clothes. Hope you wash those clothes. Very good. Go. Bring the juice.
Move from there, man.
Oh God. Maybe this is so interesting to
Very
watch.
interesting. Very interesting. Hey, he's still there. Can you move?
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Hurry up with the juice! Yes, Mom. Hurry up! Imagine this girl. You will not do what you came here to do. You're here talking rubbish.
Honey?
Yeah?
What's wrong?
I can't find my wallet.
Your wallet?
Yes.
Where did you keep it?
I used it yesterday, so it's supposed to be in the trouser I wore.
Okay.
Yeah, wait. If it's in that trouser, that means Erica washed it.
Erica. So, if she washed the trouser and found your wallet, why did she not bring it to you?
Sir?
Erica, I left my wallet in one of the trousers she washed yesterday. Have you seen it?
Your wallet?
Yes.
No, I haven't seen it.
You've not seen it?
No.
Look, I need the money in that wallet. I'm late for work.
I didn't see it.
You didn't see the money?
No.
Or you've not seen the wallet?
I have not seen any wallet. Erica, ma, if you know what is good for you, you will go in where you kept that wallet and bring it out. I'm not with it, I swear. You're not with it? I swear, I don't know. Well, I don't know. I didn't see any wallet when I was washing my car's trousers yesterday. Honey, let's start around. Let's go. You're going to turn into a thief. I want to start stealing my secrets in this house. Hey! It's not your wallet.
Erica, it's not my wallet.
Erica! Eh?
I don't have your time. I am late for work, but when I get back, we'll revisit this matter.
I don't know how the wallet... Erica, me, I have your time. So after killing my son, you turned into a petty thief in our house? Huh? What do you have to say? Kneel down. I don't know. I say kneel down! Kneel down. I don't know. I say kneel down! I don't know. Raise your hands up! Close your eyes. Close your eyes! You will stay here today till my husband comes. Raise it well. Keep it like this. Stay like that. Good. Have your time. Stay like that. Do you want to turn into a petty thief in our house? No problem. You stay there till my husband comes back from work. Shh.
Mama. She's okay. When you get to a city, just send our regards to her, okay? I will do. Mama, I hope you know how to use the address. If you don't know, just send me. Let me go to the city.
Aproko, she wants to go to the city
now.
Unfortunately, I know how to use the address. When I get to the city, I will call. I would have called now, but you know, these network problems. That is why. So, you are highly disappointed.
Yes, Mama.
Take care of your sister. Take care of me.
Mama,
this is stuff for
don't
you.
be careful.
Hey, our cassava. Please. Go and harvest cassava so that when I come back, we'll have food to eat.
You accuse me of stealing your husband's wallet and money because I was the one that washed the clothes the day before. I swear, I never took anything from his trousers. I believe it was you who planted the wallet in my bag. Just so you could have another opportunity to punish and humiliate me.
So, this is what my mom has saw. I believe she's the one who planted that wallet in my bag. I don't remember taking any wallet or seeing anyone in that trouser. How long will this continue? How do I make them believe I did not kill their son? Is there something else? Why would they hate me like this? I cannot feel pain. It
It was not my fault. God, why will you allow bad things to happen to good people? You really have to show me the way out of this mess.
Erica, you have not seen anything. You caused me pain, and I swear I will triple yours. This is just the tip of an iceberg. I am going to show you hell. Your tears make me happy. You cannot kill my son and have peace in my house. I will so deal with you that at the end of the day, your useless mother will not recognize you. And I promise you, you will go back to the village, but I am going to take everything from you. I am going to break you. I am going to make you less human.
Hello, Mama. You're on your way to my house? Oh, okay, you can come. I'm home. You can come. Why not? Yeah, I'll see you soon. Why is this woman coming to my house without any prior notice? Hey, what do I do? That Erica. Okay.
My wife said your mother called. She's on her way to this house. Even though she did not tell us she was coming, I told her we are home. I could have sent her back, but I'm not a wicked man. Now you listen and listen good. If you dare open your mouth to tell your mother we are maltreating you because you killed our son, trust me, you will go to jail because you actually killed him. You see that bandage? I don't want her to see it, so you're going to start wearing a maid cap. Hide it properly so she doesn't see it. But if she sees it, you tell her you had an accident. Have I made myself clear? Now get out of my sight.
Get out of my sight! You mad? You mad?
You're welcome. I'm so happy to see you. Let me help you with this one. You're welcome.
Please sit down and make yourself comfortable.
How's your husband and Erica?
My husband is fine. Erica is fine. She should be in the kitchen. Erica! Come on, Mama is here!
My daughter.
How are you? I'm fine, Mama. Welcome. I missed you too. Is it really you, Mama? Yes. Oh, how is everybody at home? Fine. Ify, Jane, Angie. They are all happy.
America. You need to go and get Mama water to drink. Yeah? Yes. And also remember the food you're cooking in the kitchen so it doesn't burn. Okay. Take Mama back.
Mama.
Mama,
I'm coming.
Mama is okay. Welcome. Mama, sit down now. Sit your waist down. You're in your daughter's house. Sit down. Hey. Mama, sure you're here for the next days. Make yourself comfortable. Let me sit and wait for you.
Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? Are you listening to me? I don't want to see you anywhere near your mother. You hear me? If you're done cooking, you stay here. If you're done cleaning, you come back here. Do you understand? I don't want to have any discussion going on between yourself and your mother. My wife and I will be watching, so don't play smart. And don't forget my warning. What did I tell you? If you ever tell your mother we are maltreating you in this house, I will kill you. Do you hear me?
Mama, idea. So, how were you able to find this place? I used the address Lillian dropped when she came to pick you. Oh. I would have loved to visit the village, but I don't know when. It's not hard. When you are ready, you can take permission and come.
Erica. Erica, you know you cannot travel now. Have you forgotten my plans on sending you abroad? Tell Mama the good news.
Yes, my travel plans. Are you traveling abroad?
Tell Mama yes. Tell her now.
Yes. Somehow. Well, may God bless you and your husband abundantly.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
Amen.
Why are you doing?
Mama, you see, Erica is such a nice lady. So my husband and I decided to send her abroad so she can complete her studies. That's the least I can do for her. Right?
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. Mama, when she goes, you bring Jane for us, okay? So Jane will come and assist us.
Thank you so much. Jane wants to learn work in the village. She doesn't need to come here. No? She can learn work here, Abby?
Yes.
Or she can learn in the village.
Erica.
Don't you want your sister to come here?
I don't know.
Or don't you want to travel abroad? Tell me now.
Erica. You're in the city. You should want Jane to come to the city as well. Mama, the city is a better place for anybody to learn work, right? You know what? Go inside and get me water to drink, yeah? Mama, we have something very important to talk about. Go. See, Erica is such a good girl. I know it will make you happy.
I am so happy, my daughter. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Right.
It's okay.
But is she not feeling fine?
Erica.
Yes.
She's very okay. Don't mind the way she's acting, Mama. I think she has temperature issues. You know, during the day like this, that's how her body should do her, yes. But if you leave now, she'll be fine.
Since she came here?
Yes, when she leave now, in the night, she's okay. But during the day, her face, I don't know. But she's fine, trust me. Who is going abroad is supposed to be happy now?
My dear. Yes.
I hope you're enjoying your stay.
Yes, so my son, your wife and my daughter are spared me. So, and I really thank both of you for taking good care of my daughter. I am happy.
Come on, Mama. The least we can do is take care of her and make sure you're okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You said you wanted to tell me something. sounded so good.
Is that a problem?
What is it? Where are you going to? Sit down and watch the TV with me now.
Mama, no, I'm sure she has things.
I would have allowed her to watch the television with us.
Believe me, I'm sure she has something. Okay? You can talk to her later.
In that case, I have to go to her room and see how she's doing.
No, Mama, you're going to distract her. Sleep and let her finish. Okay?
Okay. Alright. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm happy.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm quite nice.
I'm going to miss you.
I'm going to miss all of you. No problem.
And Mama, she will come and see them soon. Oh?
Okay. She will. You see, you have to study very hard and make sure you do. Okay? So that by the time you travel abroad, you come back and then carry me and your sister and then become one big happy family.
Mama, you're right. You see, Erica is such a good girl. I'm sure she'll make you proud. I'm very sure, right? You make Mama proud.
That's my daughter.
Okay. Don't worry, give me Mama back.
Girl as you used to be.
Go inside, yeah? Go and bring. Oh. Yes.
Don't worry.
She'll be fine.
You are coming home soon to see us.
Mama,
I
let
know
her.
you are missing me already.
She is. That's why her face is like this. Okay. Go inside my bag, eh? There's one of my phone I left inside my purse. That blue one. Go and look for it. I need it for a meeting. Go. You sit there. Oh. I need the purse for something. Go fast. Mama, sorry, that purse is very important. Let her go and bring it. Oh. Mama, I'll miss you.
I'm missing you.
I hope you enjoyed your stay.
Yes.
I can see.
You and your husband.
Amen.
I am really happy.
Amen. I'm happy too. You're always welcome. Oh. You're always welcome. Don't worry. The next time you come, we'll be giving you 7 square meals a day.
Oh, yes. Not 3 again.
Not 3, 7.
In that case, I will stop some and take them.
Yes, so that's what you need to do. Yes.
Good morning, girls.
Hey, honey.
Hey, baby. How are you?
Good.
Nice.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You, hurry up with that. Go to the bedroom, sweep and tidy up, okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go. This way.
Let's go, baby. Take it back. Why are you confused? I told you to not come to my house again. That's it. Just let you and your husband. Hello. I'm sorry. Okay? Look, Grace. I'm sorry. If you know me, you know that I'm not a bad person. It's just that you have no idea how it feels to lose a child. It really hurts, Grace.
I know. But killing Erica will never bring steel back.
I know. sorry.
So how is it?
Oh, yes. Talking about her. Do you know that that girl has started stealing?
How?
Okay. She saw my husband's wallet in his trouser while she was washing it. And she took it.
Oh. You mean she saw your husband's wallet in his pocket while washing and she kept it?
Exactly. That's stealing, right?
Yeah.
Good. I thought you were going to defend her.
Okay. That means I need to pour out with that.
It's not necessary. Look, Grace, enough of this lady's negative energy. How are you? How are you, my friend?
As you can see, I'm all good. I'm fine.
How's business?
And how are you?
I'm fine. I missed you.
Oh. It's us.
Honey?
Huh?
I can't find some sets of my earring and necklace.
How?
I don't know. It was here yesterday now. That gold necklace you got for me. And you asked Erica to dress the room today?
Yes, I did. I asked her to clean the room. Why? Wait. Are you saying that Erica has taken the jewelries? Oh yes, I asked her to clean the room. Wait. Do you think she might have taken them?
I don't know. I mean, who else could it be?
If that girl has taken your jewelries, I will kill her today. I will kill that girl if she has taken them. Does she know how much it costs?
Erica, I asked you to clean our room today. And as we speak, my wife's jewelries are missing. If you have taken them, calmly go in there and bring them out before I do something stupid to you.
Our jewelries. I didn't see your jewelries. I didn't see them. Hey, I swear to God. I swear with my whole life, I did not take your jewelries.
So are you trying to say that the jewelries walked out of my room? Or you're trying to call both of us lies?
No, I haven't said that. Maybe we should look for it some more.
We should go and look for it.
No, it's fine. I have time. I will search our room. I have time.
No problem. It's not here. I didn't take it. God is my witness. I didn't take it.
This is your bag, Abby. The bag I bought for you.
I'm not taking it.
Erica, just bring this
I'm
jewelries
not
out.
taking it. There's no way I will steal.
I don't want to. I thought you said you don't know what it is. Who took it?
What the beats are everywhere!
Who took it? Huh? Who took it? Are you mad? Don't do this way! You know you took it!
You want to sell my jewelry?
You accuse me of stealing your jewelries. Because you delight in seeing your husband slap me around. I never stole your jewelries. I never.
Doctor, I hope she'll be okay.
Oh, yes, she's in coma. I believe she will be fine when she wakes. What actually happened?
She fell down the staircase and I guess she hit her head. I don't know.
She will be okay. She's still not healed from the head injury. And you should allow her to rest. Your friend brought her here the other day. She told me she's your housemaid.
Yes, she is.
Mr. Stan, please, you should give this girl a breathing space, or you take her back to her parents. My legs are on fires.
Okay.
Doctor, I've heard all you've said. The thing is, we left our kids alone at home, so
Yeah.
my wife and I will go. I will come back later and check on them. Honey, let's go.
Yeah, sure. Let's go. Okay.
Doctor, I know it's not my business, but I think those people are maltreating this end.
Yeah, it appears so. You have to watch over her when she wakes. Let me know. Alright.
Baby, I've been thinking. I think we should send Erica back to her mother. Let's send her back.
No. No, honey, no. That girl needs to pay for her carelessness. She has to pay.
Baby, right now, I am scared. If she survives this, let's just send her back to her mother. Yes, you're just in the house, you're not doing anything. You can easily take care of the house chores, take the kids to school and bring them back. That won't be too much for you.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
Okay. If you want her to go, then you have to buy me a car. A new car.
You see?
Yes.
A car.
Yes, you need to buy me a car, then I'll send her back to her parents. Honey, come on. What's going on with you? Who is putting all this inside you?
You know what? Just forget I said it.
No, don't ask me to forget you said anything, because you're beginning to sound like you're not my husband.
That's why I'm saying forget it. I brought it up and I said let it go. Okay?
Okay. As long as you're not talking about sending her back again, I'll let it go. She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere. She'll pay. For her carelessness, she must pay.
Babe, this is wickedness. How can you beat her to coma and abandon her at the hospital? You're even waiting for the doctor to call you before you go back. Grace, that lady is a thief. She stole my gold necklace. Can't you understand that fact? Then take her to her parents. Take her to her mother. This is inhumanity. If you don't need a house help, take her home. It is your maltreatment that led her to stealing. What do you mean that is if she actually stole? Where's what side are you on, really? Because the way you defend this girl, you talk as if she's your relative. Do you know her from anywhere before? Do you? Do you know her more than myself? Are you the one living with her in this house? Sweetheart, what happens to you? This is not you. This is not my friend. Okay. Look, I don't like it when people steal from me. Okay? So she stole from me and she deserves any punishment that comes with stealing. Simple. She's even lucky this is not her back. Those that burnt her life. That's how they treat criminals.
Like I told you, when you where is the patient?
Doctor, she was here. I left her here to get something.
What do you mean she was here? See what you're saying? Doctor, where is she? Stop lying. I said, where is the patient?
Doctor, I left her here not quite long. She was here, yes. She was right there lying down here. Not quite long. Before I go and come back, if she's not here, I will tear you to pieces. Doctor! I left her here. She was lying down here. No. Fine. She was here.
The way this life is now, if you want help person, don't keep yourself at home. Hello? How come a mature woman like this on this gift for you? Are you sure she's still alive? Hello? Hello? Are you okay? She's not talking. I make woman no put me for trouble. Who are you? Are you okay? Jesus. Make woman no put me for trouble.
Are you saying she ran out of the hospital?
I don't know. All I know is that I walked to the ward with the doctor and she was not there. We got to the road, she was nowhere to be found.
You know what? I am not going to say anything right now. But if anything happens to her, I will sue the doctor, I will sue the hospital, and I will sue all the nurses in that hospital.
Yes, honey, I'm in support. We'll sue all of them.
We will shut that hospital down. Do you understand?
Really? Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
You both are unbelievable.
Find out.
Let me go and find out what is going on.
You need to find out because
imagine?
someone just under their care leave. So who would have done a house church for us? She should run away. They're saying nonsense. But you need to go and find out. Stupid people. Who's supposed to clean? Huh?
What if she went to the village?
That's my worry, man. That's my worry.
Well, if she has gone to the village, then there's no need for us searching for her because I'm sure she must have told her mother and sisters everything.
Oh, babe. What if she's dead?
Honey, she's not dead. She can't be dead.
Okay, then we'll go to the village tomorrow.
What if she's there?
Let's just go first and see. If she's there, we'll tell her mother she's been stealing from us and other stuff. Then we'll leave.
Then we'll come back and search for another housemate.
What kind of a hospital is this, doctor? How can the patient escape from your hospital without anyone seeing her? Not even your security.
You have to calm down. My security men are in search of her everywhere in the estate. Please, just calm down.
Is that so? What if they don't find her?
They will. Just relax.
Now let me tell you this truth. If anything should happen to my maid, if anything should happen to her, I will sue you and I will shut this hospital down. Mark my words.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you.
I am so surprised to see you people. All is well.
Yes, Mama. We went to a neighboring village, so we decided to come see you. As our mother, of course.
Yes, my son. Yes. How are you? I am so surprised.
Well, we're fine.
We're fine.
Mama, how are you too?
I am good. Very, very good, as you can see. What about Erica, my daughter? Hope she's doing well.
Yes. Yes. Erica is fine. She sends her regards. She's very well.
Okay. Are the children too?
My
They are
kids
fine.
are fine. Yeah, they're good.
You're welcome.
Mama, we wouldn't want to wait too much of your time.
Yes.
We just came to the neighboring village and decided to come see you, so we will take our leave.
No. At least I need to find a little cola.
Mama, that's not Mama, it's fine. We're in a hurry. The time is getting late.
It's getting late. But, sorry, hold on. Just have something. Just use this to, buy.
Hey. Thank you, my son.
It's fine, Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, yes, take
Thank
care
you,
of
Mama,
yourself.
for me.
No problem.
It's really
Okay.
fine.
Mama, take care of you, yeah? Take care.
Hi.
I have no one to run to. I have no one to tell my problem. Where is my mother? They don't allow me to go close to her. I'll tell her my problem. I wish I had a father. Oh God, Lord is going through my mind, So many things are happening to me right now. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening to me inside there. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening to me, yeah. I've lost a lot, am I going to still lose more? So many things are happening inside my head. Inside my head.
Bike, carry her to the park. She's going to her village. Make sure you carry her safe. When you get to your village, tell your mother all that happened. Don't lie to her. Good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Wait. Take this money. Use it for your transport. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
When I left the hospital, I ran back to my village with the hopes that I have escaped you too. But what did you do? You met me on the road and bundled me back to your house just so you can continue your evil acts. Today is the end of you two. Yesterday.
Why you running? Why you running? Come back here.
Trouble, Abby. Come down here! You want to put us in trouble? You want to put us in trouble? Come here! You want to put us in trouble? Hey!
To be honest with you shouldn't have brought her back at all. You should have left her. Now that she's back, what are your plans?
You know, I am doing all of this because of my wife. She really needs a housemaid. And you know, getting a very hard-working housemaid these days is not easy.
You're saying Erica is hardworking?
Oh yeah, she is very hardworking. But the thing is, I can't see myself forgiving her after her carelessness led to the death of my son.
Well, I understand you. But I will advise you to take her back. If you keep her here and keep maltreating her, one day she will do something very stupid.
Oh, no. She's not that kind of a person.
People change. Situation can make them change.
So, Erica, you ran away from the hospital to only God knows where. And the next thing, you're on your way to the village. As what?
Who will tell me as what? Itola Abobia. Abi? Look, if this nonsense repeats itself again, Erica, I will kill you with my bare hands. Are you mad? Eh?
Where did you get money from? Do you have a boyfriend?
Answer him.
No.
So where did you sleep?
In the gutter.
In the gutter. So where did you get money that you used to go to the village? If I'm talking to you, just answer me. Let me not slap you. I'm not in a good mood. Answer me.
I begged.
You begged.
I begged people for money.
You begged people for money. You see how low you have reduced yourself to an ordinary street beggar? You see? Well, I don't blame you. Listen, if this nonsense repeats itself again, Erica, I will kill you, bury you, and not even your mother will know where to find your dead body. You hear me? Get out. I said get out! Get out! Nonsense. Smelling girl. You're running. This guy is really growing some wings, oh. You know what? You should have told them that you are avoiding house chores. Tell them you are avoiding house chores. You will go and act as if they are maltreating you when it's house chores that you are avoiding. Tell them the truth. Rubbish. You thought you will be making me upset in my husband's house. Do your work, and that's the only business I have with you.
But where did she sleep? Or get the money she traveled to the village with?
Grace, what kind of stupid question are you asking me? Huh? I have told you several times that this girl is a thief. And probably she has one of those small boyfriend penetrating into a stupid brain. But you know what? I'm going to kill her. By the time I am done with her in her next world, she sees someone like me, she will stay away from me and my kids.
You will do no such thing. Okay. You will not kill her. She is not a thief, and we know that. I remember how you used to sing praise of her.
You've always loved her. You said she's hardworking. You sing praise of her. What happened? Oh, I understand. This whole thing changed the moment you lost your son. But please, I want you to see it from my angle. Let it fly.
Grace, have you lost anybody before? Your blood? Your child? No. No, you have not. And until you do, you will understand how it feels each time I wake up knowing that my only son is gone.
I know. But there is no amount of maltreatment you will give to her that will bring back your son. I want you to get that into you and let it go.
No. Don't talk about my son. Don't mention my son. Don't talk about my son. Don't. It's okay. Don't touch me.
Okay. Please. I want to go back to my mother.
Erika, they did this to you.
Tell them to take me back to my mother. I don't want to stay here again. No. No.
If you don't return that lady to her mother, I will never come here again, and I will not be your friend ever again. And if by chance anything should happen to her, I'll report you and your husband to the police. Bet me. You and your husband deserves to be in jail for what you are doing to that poor lady. Don't say I didn't warn you.
So she doesn't deserve to be in jail for killing my son? She doesn't deserve to be in jail. She should thank her God that she's not in jail for killing my son.
No, she was crying over the phone. It's like she was trying to tell me something. And the phone cut. Like there's something wrong.
No. Whatever it is, we should not let Mama know. Because she will start thinking again.
But Lillian and the husband visited. And they did not sound like something was wrong. Huh? I'm just confused.
Try her number again.
Her number is not going through.
Then try the one she used to call you now.
The number is switched off. Huh? I'm just tired.
I am going to leave here by 1 minute. If I stay here, I will die. This is not a fight I can win. God, help me. I don't even know where I kept this now.
Hey, we're going out. I want you to wash the children's clothes, okay? Arrange my room and make sure you get us something to eat before we come back. Understood?
Alright, let's go. Oh, and I don't want to get back and hear a complaint that something is missing in this house. Do you understand?
And I don't want you to go anywhere. Anyway, I'll have the gatesman lock you in, so there's no way for you to go out. Let's go home. Angels.
I have no one to run to. I have no one to tell my problem. Where is my mother? They don't allow me to go close to her. I'll tell her my problem. I wish I had a father. Oh God, Lord is going through my mind, through my mind. So many things are happening to me right now. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening to me inside there. I want to go home, but I have no one out there. So many things are happening me, yeah. I've lost a lot, am I going to still lose more? So many things are happening inside my head, inside my head.
It's me. Erika. Mama, I am not fine here. I'm not fine at all. I'm about to die in this house. I want to go home. I want to go home. I am done living here, but this money I don't have. Please, Mama, if you transport money, tell me to send some money to my account so I can come home immediately. Mama, it's a long story. I will tell you all about it when I come back. But no, Mama, Lillian is not who we thought she is. She and her husband, they are not who we think they are at all. At all. Please.
Erika, are you sure what you are telling me now is true? What is really happening? Tell me now.
All is not well in this house, but I cannot say it all until I leave here. Please, tell me to send the money. I'll be waiting.
What about the abroad now? Are you no longer going to the abroad?
Mama, there was never any abroad. Never was there any. It was all lies.
Hey! Hey! Hello? Erika? Hello? 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 Not available.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, who is this?
It's me, Erika.
Wow! Erika! How are you? Hope you get to the village on time.
No. By the time I got to the village, my madam and her husband were already there. They followed me back to their house. I'm back to the city.
How? Why are they this wicked? Eh? What sort of nonsense is this? Child, I'm so sorry about it. I'm so don't worry, God will liberate you. Okay?
I don't know, but I don't know. I will need your help. But not now.
Don't worry, see, anytime you need my help, don't hesitate to tell me. I'll be glad to help you, okay?
Thank you so much.
May God bless you and guide you wherever you are. Yeah, take care.
Come here. Leave here. I said leave here. Go inside.
So you have the guts to report my wife and I to your useless mother? Where did you get the phone from?
Erica, who gave you money to buy a phone? Answer.
Where did you get the phone from?
Answer the phone. So you're welcome. Erica, come back here. Erica!
So that was what happened.
Jeez, I can't believe that Steve is no more. But if this lady is as dangerous as you described her to be, why do you still keep her in this house?
To tell you the truth, I don't know. She's bad, but very hardworking. And you know my wife does not want to do anything in this house. I tried to send her away, but she said getting a good housemaid is very difficult, so I had to let it be.
This is a bittersweet situation, but I would suggest she starts looking for one. When she finds any maid that is as hardworking as Erica, she will just send Erica away. That lady is even a witch, worse than a witch.
You know what, let's stop talking about her. But tell me, how is school life?
You don't even go there. School is it's not easy at all. It's not easy. Do you know that sometimes I used to wake up around 12 in the midnight to solve some mathematical equations?
And that is why you're in school. That is why you're there. I know it's not easy, but you're alright.
You're just a bit angry.
You showed me hell, but you forgot your lives were in my hands. Now look at you. Look how messed up you are. Housemaids are not slaves. Stop abusing them. Stop it. Maybe. But you're already under punishment.
Oh, you witch. I'm gonna punish you. Maybe. You want to kill her, kill us.
God will probably punish me, but before that, serious punishment. Maybe. Look at the food that brought you to the floor, begging for your life. Watch. It's not poison. It's only marijuana. I'm not like you. I could have killed you all if I wanted to. But I am not like you. Your children will be fine. They will sleep off the marijuana. You too will sleep it off. When you wake up, you'll be fine. But let this serve as a lesson to you and to every other person out there maltreating their housemaid or their house helps. Your lives are literally in our hands, as you can see. By the time you wake up, I'll be long gone. When you wake, clean this mess.
Wow, Erika, you're welcome.
Thank you. Please, can I stay here for today?
It's nothing. You're always welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now, how did it happen? Like, they let you go or you run away?
I drugged their food.
Jesus. You did?
Yes. They are battling with the effect as I speak.
Hold on. You mean you drugged their food? How? Who taught you about it?
Marijuana.
Marijuana?
I put a lot of marijuana in their food. I did it to prove to them that if I wanted to kill them, I could. I told them they would sleep it off. I equally told them not to bother to look for me when they feel better. And with that, I carried my bag and left.
Erika, you did all this. Please let me ask you, did they know this place?
No.
I'm scared though. But hope this will not lead to any other thing. Are you sure?
It won't.
Guys.
Yes, I need rest.
You have to rest.
Yes.
Erika.
Yes.
Brother? Auntie? What's the problem?
Children.
Gift! Gift!
Mercy.
Baby! Mercy!
My children.
My doctor!
You know, I thank God it was just marijuana. If not, my family and I would have been dead. I was just angry because of the death of my son. We really treated her badly, and I wish I could just see her and ask for forgiveness. We actually did cross the boundary.
Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I overdid things. I'm sorry if I overreacted, but I just couldn't stop blaming her for the death of my son. I had to hold her responsible because each time I see her and I remember my son is no more, it's just difficult for me to let go. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have put the blames on her.
You're lucky it's just marijuana she gave you and the kids.
Well, this is the situation I was trying to avoid when I said she returned her. But I thank God it wasn't the real poison who ate. Don't you be okay?
It's your fault, the both of you. You really dealt with her. Housemates are not to be maltreated. They are to be treated right. I just pray you both learn from this. They are humans. Treat them right.
Well, it's okay. Everything will be fine.
Good day, Mama.
Good afternoon. Erica, how are you?
Erica, we're here to apologize for
Apologize.
everything we have done to you. It was all anger and bitterness of the death of our son. We have wronged you, and we are so sorry. I also want to thank you for the lesson you taught us. I mean, if it was a different maid, I'm sure we would have been dead by now. Please, forgive us.
Erica, please. I am so sorry. I know that what I did to you is unimaginable, but it was all because of the pain and anger of losing my son. The wallet, the gold necklace, it was all planned by me. Because I wanted to see you as a bad person and treat you so badly. But I'm sorry. I have learned my lesson. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. Mama, I'm sorry. Everyone, I'm sorry, please.
Indeed, both of you are very lucky. Because like you said, if it were to be another maid that you maltreated and humiliated the way you did to me, chances are an entire family would have been wiped out by now. Let it serve as a warning to you and every other person out there that maltreats their domestic staff. anybody that works closely with you, be it male or female, has your lives in his or her hand. Lilia, you disappointed me.
I'm sorry.
You forgot how close I was with your mother.
Forgive me.
She told me everything. The hell you made her go through in your house. I forgive you too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Please. Forgive me too. Forgive me. Both of you, please. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. No problem. Since she forgave you, who am I to say I give it? So, no problem.
Since you are forgiving us, can we join you?
Join us.
Can you go and bring more?
No problem. Sit.